Good morning. It's a good one. It's a wonderful one. Welcome to another video of Mokwala Agri. We're here at our chicken house number 1. Check on our chickens. It's about 2 days since we actually started giving our chicken grower. Biosecurity measures always on point. Ooh! Looking lovely, guys. If you still remember, guys, I said to you that I want us to check and trace how long will that 50 kg of feed actually last in our chicken house, and we still have maybe, I don't know how many, maybe 18 kg in here, because this is like 20 kg and it still has a lot of feed. And this one is because we didn't put any legs on it. They like coming here and eat from it, so it's almost done. Actually, it's finished, this one. And then on this one we still have some feed, so I guess I'll be refilling this tomorrow. Yeah, so 3 days now, because remember, it's a day after I actually increase the whole space the way you've seen it, and then actually refill these 3 big jumbo feeders. So today we're gonna add another drinker. I never added another drinker, and one of the reasons is because they can still drink from these 2 drinkers and last them for a day. So, but otherwise, guys, this is our chicken so far, and yeah, they're looking good, man. Even some when they still look small, but the majority of our chickens looks healthy and good. So your morning routine, just walk around your chicken house to check unusual behaviors on your chicken. So it's very important for you as a farmer to actually observe your chickens, check how they're doing, how they are growing. If you see any chick that's acting up or acting some weird way, look like a sick, you can isolate it from the rest of the chickens. But otherwise, my chickens look good. This is an old wood shaving. It's now dry. You see how it's important for you to actually increase the space, because you give the old bedding to dry off quickly. So it's dry now. No smell, no bad smell coming out. But yeah, the position where I'm always saying that at least you must try to switch the drinkers with the feeders, because where there's drinkers, it will always be moistured a little bit. So you just have to try and switch it up. But yeah, everything in this house looks fine. So today's video is not about this house, but I just came to give an update to you what's happening in this house. So I haven't closed this kitten in a while. Since from day 14, I haven't closed this side. Even at night, I don't close it. I know people always say that you must close your side at night, open them during the day. But if you stay in a hot temperature places like Limpopo, you don't need to close the side, because you are being guided by this thing over here. That's my thermometer. And I have a thermometer these days, guys. I'm going to shoot this thing almost every day now. I'm not sure if you guys can see the numbers, but if you can see the red line on it, it tells you, yeah, it tells you that where your temperature is. So that's how you use. Oh wait, you see? What? Yeah, so otherwise, guys, what I'm gonna do in this house, just to refill these 2 drinkers, and then we go to the other house to clean that house. So for now in this house, let's quickly refill these drinkers. But guys, why are you guys so obsessed with how many numbers we grow? Like, I don't understand. People are so obsessed with the numbers that I grow. Like, you guys wanna know, like, how many chickens are in that house? Why? Maybe there's something that you guys got to understand or benefit from asking. I want you guys to answer this question today on the comment section. And please like this video. How you guys keep on watching and not liking? Why do you guys always so obsessed with how many chickens I grow in my houses? That's one thing I want to actually understand. Why are you so obsessed with knowing how many chicken I grow? I've been getting this question a lot. Every time when people come in the comment section, they'll ask, so how many chicken are in there? And the way you guys love calculating, wait until someone asks you that, how many chicken should I put in a house? Or uh, give me the measurement of 100 English ran off. What I want to say, okay, give me a measurement of, okay, the capacity of your chicken house. Yeah, they like to say, give us the capacity of your chicken house. How many square meters are your houses? And then you tell someone, or someone will say that, so if I want to build a chicken house that accumulates 200 or 100 chickens, what are the size, the measurement that I should use in terms of the square meters? And I always say that a square meter, 1 square meter carries 10 chickens. I want to show you a square meter today. The little router, I'm gonna teach you. This is a chicken crate. It's actually basically a square meter. So from here to here, it's a meter. From here to here, it's a half of a meter. This is a square meter. So 10 of one of these carries 10 chickens. So if you want to build a chicken house, take this crate as your first square meter. So if you have 2 of this crate, it means you can capacitate 20 chickens. I'm done for the day. I've given you a task. Go calculate how many chickens you can put in your house by using that 1 square meter. So over here, we are busy actually irrigating the tomatoes that we transplanted. So we are busy irrigating the tomatoes that we just transplanted. I didn't shoot any video when I was transplanting this because I was actually lazy to do anything. We didn't even do raised bed on this production. And I don't know, a lot of things that we didn't do on this production. But yeah, that came in good. Nice, nice. So the whole field, it's tomatoes that we're trying to grow. So we were lazy actually. And then we just decided, you know what, let's buy seedlings and put this thing on the ground. We shall see where it goes and how it goes. If we make money, we made it. So guys, this is my field. It looks horrible, horrible. This place needs to be cleaned up, guys. Yo, you see why I don't like rain season? Because this is what you end up having. Look. Yeah. No. The other day I said I'll come and clean the spinach. I didn't. It's been burning it down. We'll redo the production. But my mom tried to plant some maize there, and then we planted some butternuts as well. Seems like they're doing good. Maybe I should irrigate those things for her. One of the most famous questions that I get on my YouTube channel is basically of how do you clean, disinfect, and how many times or how often do you clean your chicken house? So this is my chicken house. So it's the end of production. It's about 2 weeks, I think, now since we have sold out chickens in this house. Unfortunately, I was busy. I didn't have time to clean it up. So today I'm inside this chicken house. You remember the other day I was shooting content and I said maybe I would clean the other house and I didn't clean. So this is the continuation of that video, but this is 2 days after. So I'm inside this house now. Today we're going to be cleaning this house, removing these drinkers and feeders. We're going to disinfect them, clean them, and they're going to be used. The drinkers, they're going to be used on the other house where we have chickens now, which are like 2 weeks and some few of days. 2 weeks and 3 days, I think. So today's Friday. I'm deciding to clean this house because in the next couple of days you're gonna start a new cycle. So how long do you have to let your house rest? I normally let my houses rest for about 14 days after each and every cycle. So what I mean is that after a cycle, I have to clean the house quickly and let it rest, so that when we come with a new cycle, the house is clean, disinfected, no problem with anything. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to teaching you some of the things that I do with this chicken manure. A lot of people have been asking, so what do you take, where do you take the chicken manure? Like, what's up with them? So I'm going to be selling some of the chicken manure with you guys, and we're going to chow that money together. I don't know what you're going to buy with the money, but we're going to chow that money together. So right now, I need to take the drinkers and the feeders out of this house, get my tools, and actually start on cleaning this house. So welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. If you haven't liked this video so far, please give us that like. If you haven't subscribed, just do us a favor, just give us a mini wanyana subscriber. I know if I'm talking about membership, you guys won't even join, but those are part of the membership on our channel. We keep on saying thank you guys for contributing the little that you contribute every month for us here on the channel. So this is my day. I'm gonna basically share my day with you guys today. So let's quickly start my day by cleaning this chicken house. But anyway, my day have started on the other house. If there's one thing that poultry farmers hate the most, is this process. You know, the cleaning part. This part is not nice. It's like when you wear clothes, now you have to wash them. It's not nice. But anyway, you don't have a choice. Let's clean the house. Let's clean the house. Let's clean the house. So this is one of the reasons why I love Poultry, guys. I'm gonna talk about Poultry on each and every video because they showed me love when no one did. So when all these companies that have been pushing their brand on my channel for free, talking about their feed, how good they are, when you give them a call, they don't even notice you. They don't even consider giving you free feed for a second. But Poltech said, Makwala, we're going to give you things for free, and this is what they gave me. And I also gave them away some of those things. Even this year, I'm still going to do another giveaway, but this is going to be different. So those that I'm going to be giving equipment away this year, I'm promising you guys I'm going to visit their places. So this year, we're having another giveaway. I don't know when. Maybe I'll do it on my birthday. So my birthday is on the 18th of July. Reminds me around that time. If I haven't forgotten about the giveaway, I will do it. But if I did forget, please remind me that I promised you guys on the channel that I'm going to do giveaways on my birthday. I'm also going to visit few farmers on my birthday this year, July 18. Mandela Day. I love giving things for free. I love sharing information for free. And some, they want to come onto my mentorship classes. I don't know whose classes. I don't like hosting classes anyway. So we are now going to start actually taking the chicken manure out. So it's the chicken waste mixed with wood shaving. So you need this, guys. It's very important to actually put the mask on. Every time when you clean your chicken house, please try to put your mask on because, hey, the dust that comes here can affect you in the long run. You don't want to get to your 50s and then they're telling you that you have diseases that they cannot solve to you. So now let's start cleaning the chicken house. So when I clean, I don't talk, guys. I just play music and then I get busy. So yeah, let's do it. Not sure if you guys can see, but I'm hell sweaty, man. This was hell and of exercise. So what we're gonna be doing now, we're gonna take our bags that comes carrying feed. We're gonna put this manure inside, and then we store them. Some we're gonna sell them. Some we're gonna reuse them for our crops that we have. So yeah, let's continue working, guys. If there's anyone who would like to volunteer and come and clean the house for me every 4 weeks, 5 weeks after each and every cycle, you are more than welcome. These are the bags that we use. So let's get to work now. Yeah, there's too much work to do today. So we are done actually taking out the chicken manure and we've put them in these bags. So we're gonna be selling these bags 20 rand each. Yeah, so now we're gonna take them out and continue with cleaning our chicken house. Preparing for the next cycle.
Two-way street.
We are done now. The floor looks good, man. The floor looks clean. Look decent. So looks clean. Looks like it's ready for the new cycle. So, but yeah, we are almost done. This is 50% of the work done, if not 80%. So what we're gonna do now? Take these things out. Then we're gonna have to put some water inside here to clean this house. For now, we're gonna call it a day. We'll come back and continue with the work. But for now, I'm gonna rest, take a little break. If I come back now, I'll come back now. But if I come back later, I'll be coming back later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna complete this process today or what. But the video is gonna be one thing. Now the continuation of the cleaning video. It's another day. It's a brand new day. Yeah, kind of woke up late. The sun is already out. It's damn hot here in Limpopo. So we're gonna be using this to actually clean our chicken house. So I'm gonna be using the rainwater that I have here. So we're gonna put the biosecurity inside here. So we're gonna use pipes now to take this water here over there on those houses. So yeah, it's gonna be a very long, tiring day. So I'm tired, guys. Go. And they say farming is labor intensive. That's what they mean. It's not easy.
Zaga le banyana isimba birara bairoba chiva viru misabala Pedriguez big player nyako popa nyako fufa nyako ona nyako namela chete nyako popa nyako fufa.
We decided to go and buy another viral kill. So the one that I have, it's not enough. No, I have to buy another one. It's finished. So let's go get some viral kill with our Sunny. If you don't know this car, you will know it today. So the nice thing about driving this kind of cars is that you just have to open the gates and then it will just go out by itself. Come on, dude. See, you don't need to go in and out. There's no need for you to drive the car. The car will just come outside on its own and then you're okay. Like, you're okay, my dog. Yeah? Yeah. So we just bought Verokil. That's a farmer's house. Oh, okay. They've changed the brand of the store because the Angel Feeds oil has closed down their businesses. So new kids on the block. It's called Farmer's Home. Just got a Verokil from them. This is what I use to disinfect. You guys are always asking me what do I use to disinfect in my house. This is what I use to disinfect in my chicken house. So yeah. What, you wanna go into the complex? Yeah. No, but
Peanut butter.
Hey, this guy loves spreading peanut butter. Yo, people enjoy this kind of content. Ngala plan pizza guy no so. Ah, wana nje abanye ngoba hey mina ngujama pesi phone yaka man.
Alright, I'll best on around.
No really lana man. Uma guess. Ekhiphiseke yona yeka line ayikwafi. Njalo nje khiphiseke line. Ana ifuthi kusizo.
Ah, magola. Ukarutezi mo. Kila baka khana nase.
Emandi.
Ka studio kuma. Dikani.
Akatselo ke dika.
Apa kina ke show mo.
Who's calling now? Hello. Hello ke. Tulo turale. Ma? Pula na yo. Eh. Ya ve. Oh, kuchikile naso. What is? So we are back. Came here to do the final touch-ups of cleaning the chicken house. So the question that pops up a lot in the comment section, even though some I know they won't reach this level of watching this video, but they will be asking, what do I use to clean and disinfect my house? So I use what you call ViroKill. This is the ViroKill. So this is what I use. This is what I trust. I've been using this for a very long time. If I don't use this, I normally use why the reason I'm putting it inside the chicken house, not in the bath today, is because I didn't have opportunity to put it in the bath. But we'll just mix this water with it now and then clean the floor. This thing is very dangerous, guys. ViroKill. ViroKill is the best. See, the water is now turning into some whitish thing. Shows that it has been mixed with ViroKill. So you can actually give this to your chickens. Actually, there's a book, there's a manual book that comes with it. If you open here, you'll find a manual book that actually comes with this ViroKill. So it tells you how to mix what when you give to what. So if you wanna give to your chicks, if you're gonna give to your layers and everything, it has a manual for that. So yeah, it has a manual. So this is the manual book that comes with it. So this is the book. You just page the book up, and then it tells you what to do, when to mix it, what to give, and what not to give. So yeah, get yourself this, because you've been asking me.
Biliato, tu shoto, on the rocks, nwere, chimashiho, manyikinyoso, saka kamu maru, kela wano, nkarbolo, jabulani, folani, rulani, waitad, afezo minya locho, Gamonotho, Santa la story, how trigger, Emma Billy.
So every time you build a chicken house, those who are gonna be building or those who have houses, make sure that you have a drain where you're gonna drain water. Like my over here, that's where the water goes outside. So I have a drain where I actually drain this water from inside. So make sure that and how you actually make it a drain is that you After you've completely built your house, if you don't make it in the process of building the house, after you're building your house, you put the water inside the chicken house, and where the water actually flows to, that's where you can make your drain. So in this case, my chicken house, that's where the water flows to. That's why I've decided to make a drain for my water to be drained out. So now we actually done cleaning the house, and look how good it is. It looks fresh, looks good. So yeah, cleaning the house is really easy, more especially if you have soaked your house first, and then when you come later, you just finished up cleaning the house like this. So we're just gonna drain this whole water out, and then we are done for the day with this house. You're gonna see it I think next week when we're placing the chicks in. So basically normally I take 14 days before I place chicks in, but in this case today we didn't actually have enough time to clean this house earlier, so done it late. But yeah, 7 days is still okay, because I'm gonna be placing chickens next week, Tuesday, and now it's Monday. So we're gonna have a whole of 7 days of this house resting after being cleaned. So a day before, I'm gonna shoot content and show you how I do things, how we prepare, even though there are some content that I've done lots and lots of those content before. But I know most people, they just use the channel and they are lazy to go back and watch some of the videos. So, but yeah, we'll continue share whatever that we have. So this is it for today, and we are done for now.